Hello and welcome to the channel. I picked up one of these today, the Parkside socket set with swivel head ratchet handle. I've looked at swivel head ratchet handles before. There's loads of different brands do them and they range in price from £10 up to 50, 60, 70, whatever you want to pay for them, depends what the brand is. I haven't got one in my collection, so I thought I'd pick up one of these. So it's an ergonomic ratchet handle with quick release and 270-degree rotating head. In a matte finish, laser markings help you identify the sizes, chrome vanadium steel, 39-piece set. So this is made by OWIM in Germany, sold by Lidl, and as you can see there's quite a lot in there. Bits, T's, flats, posies, got a T-handle, an extension bar. I think that's got a wobble function on it. It mentions a wobble function here, but that's the only one I can see that looks like it's got a wobble end on it. Handle, and then obviously the ratchet, and then you've got a set of sockets: 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13mm. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. There's a box that looks like a warranty instruction type thing. So quite a sturdy Parkside case. It's got metal hinges there. Just get, there is a little tab there to take off. There we go. A single catch on the front. Lift it up, pull it down, and there we have it. Blown plastic case. Feels like a decent quality. We've got a couple of loose ones here, 4.5, and that should be the 4. So let's have a look. Here's a quarter inch. So you've got a swivel. It says Parkside on it, and it says OWIM on it as well, actually. So that's a swivel socket. I assume this little one here is for, if I can get it out, that's the bit holder, and then you've got all your bits. It's like 3 of each, all colour coded. Lots of different bits there. Some T15 up to T40. They're all nicely finished. They've all got OWIM stamped on them and the size. And that has a little retaining clip in there, little spring to hold onto it tightly, and which it does, instead of a magnet. Holds onto that really well. Pop that in there. Sockets. So sockets are sort of like a brushed finish to them. It says OWIM Parkside on it. They don't look particularly well finished. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. It's got quite a few marks on it. They're a spline type socket. Yep, they're all splines. It's a tiny little one, the 4. And let's have a look at the handle. Again, OWIM CRV, 6.3mm. It's got Parkside on the handle. Plastic handle with rubber inserts there. Feels okay. That rotates nice and smoothly. So it's not 360 because it won't go all the way around, obviously, because of this. I don't know how many teeth is in it. It doesn't say. I don't think it says how many teeth the handle has, but Sounds okay. And that's the switch as well to the reverse. So you just flick that around. It's got quite a positive click. Nice and easy to get hold of, especially when it's orientated like that at the top. Very easy to get hold of. Held on there with 2 screws, Allen head. Let's see where it fits on the socket. It is quick release, that's what the button is in there, you can see. So let's pop that on. It's actually quite secure, that. There's very little play in that. That's a nice little spanner, that. So you can use it straight on like that, or you can basically use it at almost any angle you want. And I think you could probably still, even if it's like that, you could probably, yeah, you can still change the direction on it using that thumb wheel thing there. So they seem to fit quite well. That one's finished a little bit better. Yeah, I like that, it's good. They do seem to fit quite well in the box as well. Quite secure. There's a number 10. Yeah, it looks like it's only the 13mm one there that's a bit rough. The finish on it. Everything else seems okay. It's a very small set. This was £12.99. So yeah, that's quite nice. A little bit bigger than the Teng ratchet handle. Got quite a thick grip on that for the size of it. That's nice. So we also have one of these go through screwdriver type handles. The idea is if you want to, you can put something like that in the top and it gives you a lot more leverage as you're going on or off. Not ratcheting obviously, but it gives you a lot more leverage. And it's a decent size, that it's comfortable to hold. Feels alright, feels secure. And you can obviously use the nuts on it as well. I do like these type of handles, they are quite useful. Has Parkside written on it, but doesn't look like it has OWIM written on it. No, it hasn't. But yeah, they're quite useful, these, for getting a nut off quickly or needing a little bit more leverage. And let's have a look at this one. So this, yeah, you can tell by the end it's a wobble because they have a little cutout at the bottom of each one. And basically, if you want it flat, you do it like that. So if you were screwing that in just straight, and you no problem at all, and then if you wanted to, you just push it down a notch, and then you've got, I think it says you've got a 10 degree, yeah, 10 degree, you've got a 10 degree wobble on it. Not a lot, but sometimes it's all you need to get into a tight space. So that's quite nice. That does say Parkside OWIM on it, same as this here. I don't think I've ever seen it all marked up with OWIM before. I think this is the first one. But that's actually a nice little set, and that's a nice little addition, a little wobbly bar. Obviously that one as well, you can use it to get in all kinds of angles, corners, whatever. All fits together really nicely. And then you've got your normal bit driver, like that. So if you were struggling with something, pop that in, gives you a little bit more leverage while you're holding onto the handle. It's a decent little set really. I mean, it's finished relatively well apart from one socket. The rest of them seem fine. Finish on the handle is nice. Finish on this is nice. Again, plastic with rubber, and the metal goes all the way through. You've got a decent range of bits. All sit nicely in there. Everything sits well in the box. Box isn't too big either. I think that's quite a decent little set, that, for the price. And my first swivel ratchet handle. No, it does feel well made. I'm quite impressed for the price. I think that's pretty good. What do you think? Good? Bad? I quite like it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.